Thank you for your purchase of Dash Thunder 2-in-1 tricycle. This beautiful product comes with strong body, wide wheelbase, and attractive looks. This beautiful product can be assembled in some simple steps by using these parts. You will also need a piler and a screwdriver to assemble. Step 1. Take the main body and place rear wheels to the main body with the help of axle pin on both sides. It's time to insert front fork complete to main body to be able to place handle. Now place the handle to the fork with a lep of button lock. In the next step, fix handle to fork with the help of plastic bolt. Now is the time to place seat to main body. Fix seat to the main body with the help of provided butterfly nuts. In the next step, insert the flute pipe to main body. Now attach the movement rod from front fork to the flute pipe, and to the front fork to make it functional. In the next step, insert the handrest to the main body with the help of lock button. Let's set up the parental handle. First, place handle to the pipe with the help of butterfly nut. Now is the time to place handle to the flute pipe. N0W, place the rear basket to the body with the help of plastic nuts and butterfly nuts. It's time to attache the footrest to the main body with the help of nut and bolt. Your beautiful Dash Thunder 2-in-1 tricycle is now ready to use.